guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jefree. I hope you guys are doing alright. This is the look I have for today's video. I really went for a green smoky high, and I like the way I put Fenty highlight as the inner corner of the like a transition into the eye look. I wish I have somewhere I'm going to right now. At least I know this makeup is not gonna go to waste, but currently I am filming around 8:30 and there's literally nowhere for me to go until probably stay at home, you know, watching YouTube. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jefree, and yeah, I hope you guys are doing alright and you guys are welcome. If you are new and if you're my old subscribers, thank you guys very much for coming back to this channel. For today's video, I really want to do a makeup tutorial, and as Valentine is around the corner, so I just want to give you a bit of my date night lovers Valentine sexy look you can rock on a Valentine night or day, or before that day or after that day, for your lover, for your babe, for your husband, or for yourself. So guys, for today's look, I've been thinking about green. So I decided, you know what, let me do a emerald green smoky high glam date night makeup look. I know it's too much of names, but we'll see how it goes. So now as you can see, my face is bare. It's not done yet because sometimes I normally start with my face before my eyes and everything, but for today's video I'll be starting with my eyes first because I really want to go in there. It's proper smoky eye. I don't want to like kind of have fallout on my foundation. So as you can see, my eyebrows are already done and set. I've already applied a eye primer to my lid, so all I need to do is just to go ahead with this tutorial. I'll be using this eye most of the time to apply my eyeshadow. The shadow I'll be using is a Jefree Star eyeshadow palette in Androgyny, and I'll be using Charm and Fetish for my crease color. I'll be using this Morphe 502M brush just to give a fluffy crease, nice diffuse color. So you wanna apply this crease color just first on your upper crease towards your eyebrow. You think you're having like a cut crease or something like that. It's just like a small cut you've heard. I really like this charm. It's so charming. Like it just make my eyebrows so perfect. Oh, my eye looks so like gorgeous. I don't know why, I just like it. Probably you do this about 3 or 4 times to have a proper nice crease of eye base before you go ahead with the next color. So next I'll be adding Fetish just to like lower that first crease I applied on, just close towards my outer corner with my eye socket opens and deepen. You can feel it there. So this is a nice warm burgundy shade. This shade goes with Charm pretty much. Like this on its own with a smoky eye and a liner, they are perfect together. So I'm just gonna tap a little bit and put on. This is just to cover like the base of where I will be applying the green shortly. And also just gonna use this brush to blend slightly. And I'm using the Morphe B81 blender brush. If you look closely to my eyes, you can see the place where these two colors meet, and it gives that nice ombre eye look. You want to blend it for like up to like 30 seconds. Right, this 2018, should I say how to catch a babe, because everybody wanna be single now. I don't know, it's kind of, to me it's difficult like to be in a relationship because there's so things you need to consider. All your body, your head, your mentality, they're all committed. That you don't think about yourself anymore, you think about the person. Every decision you make in your life is about the person as well. Like this topic is so broad, it's not something I could just say. I praise those who are in a relationship, and some people that I know are in a relationship for like 10 years. They're still not married, but I can do that live. Next I'm gonna go over to with the green. So I'll be using a dark green from Jaclyn palette, and hopefully this comes out to the way I want it. So the green is going to be like a cut crease to my eyes, and I'm going to blend it on as well to my crease color. Looking at the green, looks like black, but this is not black, actually a dark green. So this green is going to serve as my smoky eye part. So I'm just going to put it at the edge first of my eyelid and go through the eye socket round. I was thinking if I should wear this look with a liner, or is it gonna look nice? C-shaped form, curved at the outer corner, because I don't want to bring it fully, so I'm just gonna bring it right here and blend this area out. So I'm using a brush. I had a little bit of military from the same Jefree Star palette to blend that outer corner green out, because obviously, like I said, it looks like a black, but it's actually a dark, really darkish green. I'm blending this lightly because I don't want this to take over my transition crease color. You know, before you get married to someone, you can be in a relationship for a long time, and after a while you realize that this person is not the person you once knew. Put God first in everything you do if you're looking for the bae. I'm using the same first fluffy brush to blend my crease together. I'm gonna use a light green from the Jaclyn palette, hopefully. Okay. Sometimes I have to get close with a mirror just to see properly where I'm placing green. So I'll be adding a bit of Super Shock shadow from Colourpop, and this is called Shameless on the lid as well. This is a pretty dark green shimmer pressed glitter on the lid. I'm not sure it's gonna show much of a difference, but we'll see. It's coming out pretty dark at the end, so I'll just put it towards the inside because I don't know if I should go for dark. Adding that Super Shock glitter again. I feel that comes out really nice. So I'll be adding the first green I used for the smoky eye just to blend the edges of the shimmer. I'll pick it off as soon as I can. This look does not need a liner, does it? I'm just gonna line the lash line, not like a wing, but just to like give it a cover up a little bit. This is a drugstore lashes which I'll be applying onto my lash now. My lashes is on and it's high, looking pink and nice. I'm just gonna take a wipe to wipe this all off and also put the lashes on this one and be back. Guys, so I'm back and this is my finished eye look. Ooh, and this is calling for fire. So I will be starting on with the face, and as of my primer, I'm going to be using this Pink-lite from MAC and also this little L'Oreal Infallible mattifying primer. The reason I'm using this primer is to give it a second shot, 1 and 2. I just want to have a dewy skin like, so I know this is not going to make my skin matte, but kind of give me a sheenish dewy skin. That's why I'm using it. Ooh. For my face foundation, I'm going to be using Morphe and Nars, and if you guys haven't seen my review on this foundation, just click the red link right above to take you there and see what I thought. It's like most people's shades are of Morphe, because this Morphe can blend into different like skin tones. First of all, I'm just going to use this foundation just to outline my brows out. I'm spreading out this foundation with this tiny brush. So I'm just gonna blend out this foundation. I actually spread it on my face. Ooh. Ooh. And over to the forehead now. On camera, it's kind of looking orange. By the time I use my concealer and bake, I think it's gonna come back to my color. So far, the actual pump I applied on my face is enough. I don't need to add more. So I'm gonna be concealing underneath my eyes with this Confident concealer in the 35. I think so far this is the best concealer I've ever purchased and owned. Maybe I'm joking. I might be regretting applying that primer again because boy, I am oily. I'll be applying a tan set in Tarte on top of the earlier concealer. I'll be using the ColourPop Enriched 75 to contour. I haven't blended the underneath concealer out because I just want it to set in. I'll be blending this concealer out with a dual fiber brush. I like the finish I'm saying because I don't like to contour these days. I just like to. The reason I like to blend my contour first because if not, it's gonna set in very dark and leave a line there and kind of difficult to blend, and I don't like to set my contour first, so I like to blend my contour first. I'll be blending the nose. I didn't go up too much on the nose. So right now I'm just going to blend underneath the eyes where I apply the lighter concealer, and I'll be using my beauty blender wet. So I'll start with the jaw first. I don't know why, but it just appealed to me to start here first. My plans on Valentine Day, just go out more, like go out, treat myself, take myself out. So I'm pinching this beauty blender so I can blend the nose properly without spreading it out very widely. You hide as well. Right. So I'm gonna go back with one more with that brush for the contour. Let's blend just to blend in between the contour and the highlight concealer. So guys, I am gonna bake my face now with my RCMA Nude Color Powder and finish the rest of my face, and I'll be back. I like the finish, I like the blending. Makes me look flawless. It's your happy day. Your happy day. It's your wedding day. The bone of your bone. Oh na na. Oh na na. Your blessing na na. To finish this look, I'm gonna be setting and removing the baking powder with my MAC NW43 pressed powder. Wow, I feel good. La 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 la. I look like me. La 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 la. So good. I'm gonna be bronzing this my face with the matte mineral skin finish bronzer in dark deep. So this is also like a setting powder in case you don't use this one NW43. You can also use this one. This just gives you like a more deep warm setting. It just also serves as a contour as well. So And also I'll be contouring with this contour palette from Morphe, and you all know where this blush is from Sleek in Flushed. Just on top of the contour, I guess. I don't know, blush, highlights, contour, they make a difference in beauty and in face. So right now on this face, we need to cut it. For my highlight, I'll be using Bronze Glow from Bobbi Brown, Wanna Brown. I'm taking the highlight towards my under eye. Look at that, Cardi. Look at me, Cardi. Look at me, Jennifer. Look. Let's try to achieve this side as well. Optimus Prime. Right, so I am gonna look for the lips to apply on, and also I'm gonna put mascara underneath my eyes just to finish the eye look. For my lip, I'll be using this Take 5. It's like a very light pink shade from Colourpop. This lip is giving me that of a baby rosy pink. I'm gonna finish the rest of the look or the face change, and I'll be back. This is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like the tutorial, like the look. And are you spending this Valentine? Are you going out with your husband, with your bae, with yourself? Or are you gonna be sobbing inside and sleeping? Whichever you want to do it. This combination is to die for. I love it so much, but this neck piece, I can barely move. Like, seriously, this is so discomforting. I hope you guys love this video, which I know you do. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you don't like it, still give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would be really good. Leave your comment below on your thought. And guys, if you want to be receiving daily alerts from me on whenever I upload a video, don't forget to click on that notification bell icon so you get notified. And don't forget to watch my previous video, just gonna be right after my screen. And until then, guys, I'm gonna see you on my next video. Take care of yourself and be nice to others. Happy Valentine and peace.